British socialite Ghislaine Maxwell's lawyer cited Buckingham Palace's defense of Prince Andrew in court, it has been revealed. It comes as a second set of legal papers, linked to paedophile Jeffrey Epstein, named the Duke of York in connection to his former friend and sex offender Maxwell. The latest files include 19 documents, which add up to around 300 pages, and were released late on Thursday. The newly released papers show that attorney Laura Menninger has used the palace's defense of Andrew in an attempt to get the 2015 defamation case brought by Virginia Giuffre against Maxwell thrown out. In 2015, the palace released a statement which stated that they emphatically denied Andrew had any form of sexual contact or relationship with Ms. Giuffre. The statement said the complaints were false and without foundation. Laura Menninger said Ms. Giuffre filed a motion claiming to have been involved in sexual relations with Prince Andrew, with world leaders, a former prime minister of some country or other, American lawyer, Mr. Alan Dershowitz. But Ms. Menninger added, "The press comes calling and asked my client and Mr. Dershowitz and Prince Andrew and everyone else whether any of the allegations contained in this legal pleading are true." Buckingham Palace issued a statement flatly denying the claims made by plaintiff here. Ms. Menninger later went on, "Buckingham Palace said her claims were absolutely untrue, and added that while others have called her a liar, notably Mr. Dershowitz, and others have denied claims that plaintiff has made, including Buckingham Palace. Ms. Maxwell has not actually ever called her a liar." In the first batch of some 1,000 pages released a day earlier, the Duke was, in allegations aired previously and which Andrew strenuously denies, accused of having an orgy with underage girls, and touching a woman's breast while posing with a puppet of himself. In the US Virgin Islands, where the orgy is alleged to have taken place, the age of consent is 18. The Daily Mail reported that the resurfacing of the claims has crystallized the king's determination to deal decisively with his brother and there was no way back. Sources told the newspaper the release of the documents has strengthened Charles' resolve to never allow Andrew to resume royal duties, with plans already in progress to move him from his royal lodge home in Windsor Great Park into a smaller property. Andrew walked to church with the rest of the royal family at Sandringham just over a week and a half ago on Christmas Day, with his appearance viewed as part of a gradual rehabilitation within the monarchy, coming 7 months after he was permitted to attend the king's coronation in his Grand Garter robes. Other newly released documents reiterate the claims made in Ms. Giuffre's U.S. civil trial where she claims she was sex trafficked by Epstein to the Duke and two of the world's most respected politicians, but the names remained redacted. The documents, part of a case against Epstein's girlfriend Ghislaine Maxwell, have thrust Andrew back into the spotlight. They do not reveal any major new allegations about Prince Andrew other than those he previously denied. Journalist Sharon Churcher wrote an email about how it would be a gamble for Ms. Giuffre to give Vanity Fair magazine a statement about how she had no more to say about how she was sex trafficked to PA and other men, including two of the world's most respected politicians. Other papers showed Maxwell, who has since been jailed for sex trafficking young girls for Epstein, claimed Ms. Churcher helped Ms. Giuffre concoct sexual assault allegations against Andrew. Her legal team accused the reporter of manufacturing some of the claims, and of emailing Ms. Giuffre explaining how to corroborate a story to tell the FBI that she was given to Prince Andrew, with information on flights. They also alleged that a handwritten diary by Ms. Giuffre, which contained information about her alleged encounter with Andrew, was a completely fabricated document. Ms. Churcher in an email to Ms. Giuffre told her how Johanna Sjoberg, a masseuse for Epstein, recalled being groped by Andrew one Easter at the NY mansion and that Ghislaine sat both of you on his knee. Earlier unsealed documents contained evidence from Ms. Sjoberg in which she claimed Andrew put his hand on her breast while she sat on his lap as they posed for a photo with what was reported to be a spitting image puppet of the Duke. Andrew has previously denied these claims. Andrew quit as a working royal in 2019 over his friendship with convicted sex offender Epstein and in the wake of a controversial appearance on Panorama. He was later stripped by his mother Queen Elizabeth II of his honorary military roles, and gave up his HRH style. The Duke paid millions to Ms. Jeffrey to settle a U.S. civil sexual assault case against him out of court with no admission of guilt. Ms. Jeffrey claimed she was trafficked by Epstein to have sex with Andrew 3 times when she was 17 and a minor under U.S. law at Maxwell's London home, in Epstein's New York home and during an orgy on Epstein at Caribbean Island. Pressure on the Duke has grown after anti-monarchy group Republic reported him to the Metropolitan Police and called on the force to reopen investigations into the claims. U.S. Judge Loretta Preska ruled last month that documents naming more than 170 people who were either associates, friends or victims of Epstein should be made public. Buckingham Palace has been approached for comment.